Today, I'll show you how to add a before and after slider to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to visually demonstrate transformations, comparisons, or changes, and it can be especially useful for businesses like design studios, photographers, or home renovation services. Having a before and after slider can enhance your site's interactivity and provide your audience with a clear, engaging way to see your work's impact. Now, let's dive right into the steps. First, we're going to head over to a great tool called Elfsight. Open your web browser and search for Elfsight before and after slider. This tool is incredibly user-friendly and makes it simple to create an engaging slider without needing any advanced technical skills. Once you're on the Elfsight website, you'll need to find the before and after slider option. When you locate it, click on it to start customizing your slider. Elfsight provides a variety of customization options, so take your time to edit the slider to fit your brand and the story you want to tell. You can adjust the images, add captions, and even change the slider's style and layout to match your Squarespace site's design. This is your chance to make sure the slider is visually appealing and aligns with your website's overall aesthetic. Once you're happy with the edits, you'll need to publish your slider. After publishing, Elfsight will generate a code for your slider. This code is what you'll use to integrate the slider into your Squarespace site. So go ahead and copy this code. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you have the entire code copied so that your slider functions correctly. Now, let's switch over to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you want to add your before and after slider. Once you're on the correct page, look for the option to add a block. Squarespace makes it easy to add different types of content blocks to your pages, which is a great feature for customizing your site. Select the option to add a code block. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Simply paste the code into the block and your slider will appear. At this point, you might want to adjust the size of the slider to ensure it fits well within your page layout. You can easily resize the block by dragging its corners until it looks just right. Finally, make sure to save your changes. This will publish the new layout to your live site, and your visitors will now be able to interact with the before and after slider you've just added. Take a moment to preview your page and check that everything is functioning as expected. If needed, you can always go back and make additional adjustments. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a before and after slider to your Squarespace website. This new feature will not only enhance your site's visual appeal, but also provide a dynamic way for your visitors to engage with your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a comment or subscribing for more quick and easy Squarespace tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.